Hello. All right, so at the very broadest level, at the cause of action level, the question really is whether our client was driving a vehicle while intoxicated. Or you could say it another way and ask whether he was violating the drunk driving statute. But then, we do some research and we find the statute, and then we break that statute down into elements. And as we do that here, we see that we have person, operate, vehicle, highway, and intoxicated. So then as we go and look at those elements, it appears that the only one that's really at issue is operate. So then we go and refine our issue. So now the issue becomes, was our client operating a vehicle? And then we can add in the facts. It wasn't moving, the transmission was in neutral, and it was on flat ground. But then we continue to do some research. Now we go into the fourth step of the research and we find some case law. And that case law now further refines our issue. So the issue becomes whether the vehicle posed a significant risk of causing a collision. And if it did, then the person was operating it. So graphically, what this looks like then is at the very broadest issue, we have the cause of action, was this person intoxicated while driving? And then we narrow that issue as we do our research down to operating. And then we narrow it further to what the final question will be in our memo. And that will be whether the vehicle posed a significant risk of collision. So that does it for doing the issue. Now in 1.9, we'll look at some search terms. See you then.